Good afternoon everyone, this is again Michael, and today's tutorial I'm going to teach you how to set up an end screen of your video. So let's just check what end screen is for, guys. End screen basically is how you promote your other videos, okay? Or you can actually promote a playlist of your videos, and you can also set up the subscribe button there. So I'm gonna show you how to do it. Let's open up one of my videos. It doesn't matter if I have existing end screen on it or not. So let's open up the video that was posted on March 28th. Let's check the end part of it because this is where we see the end screen. This is the last part of the video, guys. Oh, there you go. This is the end screen. Okay, this is the video. This is how you promote your other videos. And this is the subscribe button that I was talking about earlier. So yeah, in this case, I only have two buttons here set up. But let's see if we could go as much as two videos and one subscribe button. Let's just go ahead and edit it instead. So all you have to do is to click on edit video right here on the bottom. So what I just did first was to open up one of the videos, okay, and then click edit, and then scroll it down a little bit. If you take a look here on the right side, you have your end screen. You also have cards. I'm gonna show you also how to set up cards on your video, but let's first focus on end screen. Let's go ahead and click on it. There you go, guys. This is the one that you saw at the end of my video, right? The one right here. So let's go ahead and try to find. Now go ahead and let me delete it first. Delete. And there's actually a template here on the left and how you want to set it up. So for example, this one is, oh, it's not showing. One video, one playlist, and one subscribe. This one right here. I think this one is good. And this one is one video, one playlist. I think I'll go ahead and pick this one. All you have to do is to click that option, and then you can actually rearrange it the way you want, as long as it fits in best viewer. Check, you can actually choose a specific video that you want to put in here. So let's go ahead and check this specific video. I would love to put the last video that I made, YouTube copyright strike. All you have to do is to select it, just click on it, and there you go. That's the end screen right there. So basically what I'm doing is that I'm trying to promote the video, this video, the copyright strike. It's just letting your viewers to, hey, here's the other video that you might like. And that is why I'm putting this on the end of my video, the end screen. But this one though is still red. Oh, okay, I got it. Sorry guys. So since this is a playlist, all we gotta do is to select playlist 2 from my list. Unfortunately, I don't have one. So this may not be applicable on this video. Okay, so let's go ahead and change it again. But anyway, that's okay. Because I'm gonna explore this with you so you could see other options. Let's delete everything. So let's just say I pick. I want two though. One video, one playlist. Oh, we cannot work on that because I don't have playlist. Two videos. Okay, there you go. I'll go ahead and pick this one up. This template. All I have to do is to click on it. So I picked two videos, guys. Two videos. All right. So it's up to you how you want to set it up. You want to set up on the bottom, want to set up on top. It's all up to you. But I think it's best if you set it up in the center, and you can actually make it bigger by dragging the button. I mean, dragging this small button here on the side. You drag it, make it bigger. There you go. All right, I think this one is good. So let's go ahead and check the preview. This is actually the preview. You can play it so you can see where to set up. So that is it, guys. I'm not gonna take much of your time. Thank you so much again for watching. Again, my name is Mike. I'll see you guys on the next video. I think this one is good. You can actually adjust when it's going to start. Like you can adjust it a little bit further from from the default. So I'm gonna put in here. You can put in here if you like. But the thing is, the shorter this, the shorter this line right here, the shorter it would show up here on the screen as well. So you don't like that because you're trying to promote your videos, right? You want it a little bit longer. So I'm gonna set it back up there. That is it, guys. All we have to do right now is to save it. Wait, can't it be saved? Video elements cannot promote the video being watched. Oh, okay. So there's an error here, guys. Okay, so I think I'm watching the video right now. That is why it's not possible. So we're going to change it. This is the one that we're watching. How to hide. I'm gonna select this third video. There you go. See, click. It's already clickable. I mean, the save button is already available. Let's make it bigger. Let's make it bigger again, and then save. That's it. That's how you set up your end screen. And I will also teach you how to use your cards. What is this card for? This card is like a link that would pop up on your screen on the upper right hand of your screen while they are watching the video. Okay? So they can actually click it, and this is one of the best way to promote other videos. I like to set it up here on the first part of the video. As you can see here, the bar. You can actually change it. You want to set it up here in the middle. You want to set it up here on the end part. It's all up to you how you want to design it. But I prefer to just set it up here right from the start of the video. So add card. I already set up one actually here. But let's delete it first. Let's delete that. So let's add card. Create. And then let's just say I want to promote this video. There you go, guys. Yeah, I think we're done. And all we have to do is to just check the video out. Let's play again the video and let's see if it worked out. So we worked on this video, guys, earlier. It's where we set up the end screen and the card. So let's open it up. Let's see it work if it works. Mike again here, and today's tutorial. This is it, guys. This is the card right here on the upper right. Hide or delete. Oops. This is the card right here. There you go. So it's a an easier way also. It's an easy way to promote your other videos. And how about the end card? Let's go. Play the video and let's see if it would show up at the end of the video. Go to where we check all the settings, but from here alone on this dashboard you could see some changes. Alright, so that is it, guys. I'm not gonna take much of your time. There you go. This is the one that we set up earlier. Two of these, but it's better if you put like a black screen at the end of your video so that it's where you could set up this end screen, because just like this it's covering up my screen right now. But good thing I'm already ending the video when it's covering the screen, so that's fine also. Yeah, that's it, guys. I mean, I have nothing much to say. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you learned something today. Well, thank you so much again for watching. This again, Mike. I'll see you guys on the next video.